In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send a purchase order efficiently and accurately. This process is crucial for maintaining smooth relationships with vendors and ensuring your inventory is adequately stocked. Let's dive in and work through this step by step together. Starting off, you'll want to navigate to the purchase order section in your system. Locate the plus new button. This is typically easily accessible from your main dashboard. Clicking on this button initiates the creation of a new purchase order. This is your starting point where you'll compile all the necessary details to ensure the purchase is processed without a hitch. Now that you've opened a new purchase order, it's time to input your vendor information. Your vendor is the person or company supplying the goods, so it's important to have accurate information here. In the vendor field, enter the name of your supplier. If they're already in your database, their details should automatically populate, saving you the time and stress of manual entry. Be sure to confirm that all contact information is current and correct as you progress. Once your vendor information is set, you can move on to specifying the item information. In the item section, you need to include details about what exactly is being ordered. The item should be selected carefully to match your inventory needs. You'll choose the items from a pre-existing list in your system, which usually includes a description, quantity, and unit price. Make sure the quantity aligns with what you need to restock and double-check the unit price to avoid any unexpected charges. This precision in documentation helps to maintain inventory levels and manage costs effectively. After you've filled out all necessary fields with vendor and item information, it's crucial to review everything for accuracy. Double-check every entry for mistakes and confirm that all data aligns with both your needs and previous agreements with your vendors. This final review step can help you catch any errors before they become costly issues. Finally, it's time to save and send your completed purchase order. Saving the document ensures that you have a record of the transaction within your system for future reference. Once saved, you should have the option to send the order directly to your vendor via email or any other predefined method. This step makes sure that your supplier is promptly alerted to your request, allowing them to begin processing your order immediately. An efficient send-off can significantly reduce the lead time for receiving your goods. With this clear process, you ensure that your purchase orders are not only accurate but also efficiently handled from start to finish. Remember, maintaining clear and organized records helps streamline your procurement process and strengthens relationships with your vendors. Thanks for joining me today. Happy purchasing!